You can totally use ChatGPT to up your Faceless channel game in 5 different ways, but don't get it twisted. We want to make it clear from the start that this isn't the run-of-the-mill bot script trick that you can just copy and paste. We'll show you how to use this AI chatbot like a boss, unlike some creators who think they can just sit back and watch the cash roll in without doing any work. Let's work smart and get the most out of ChatGPT. Without any further ado, we'll start with the first use you can make out of ChatGPT to get your Faceless channel to the next level and ease your video creation process. Find ideas for your next video. If you feel stuck on your ideas for your next YouTube video, don't sweat it. ChatGPT is here to help you brainstorm and come up with fresh and exciting topics. You could ask ChatGPT for ideas on popular video games, sports, workout routines, or DIY projects. After generating a few prompts, you can use ChatGPT to dive deeper into specific topics. For example, if your initial prompt is video games, you can ask ChatGPT for recommendations on the latest releases or hidden gems that your audience might not know about. Another way to use ChatGPT is to ask for advice on common problems or challenges faced by your audience. For example, you could ask ChatGPT for tips on how to stay motivated when working from home, how to manage stress, or how to save money. But don't limit yourself. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm outside-the-box ideas that you might not have thought of on your own. Who knows, maybe your viewers are dying for a video about high-intensity home workouts or muscle-building routines for a vacation. By tapping into ChatGPT's creativity and vast knowledge, you can create a video that is engaging, informative, and truly unique. The second way to use the chatbot is to find the right title for your next video. Here are 2 tips to get you started. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate a list of potential titles. First, input a few keywords related to your video topic into ChatGPT, and then ask it to generate a list of titles. Review the titles and choose the one that best captures the essence of your video. 2. Ask ChatGPT for feedback on your title. Once you have a working title, ask ChatGPT for its opinion. You can ask questions like, is this title catchy enough? Or does this title accurately reflect the content of my video? Use ChatGPT's responses to refine your title and make it even more effective. The third way to use ChatGPT, text on thumbnail ideas. Absolutely. ChatGPT can be a great resource to help you generate ideas for text on thumbnails that will catch your audience's attention. Here are a few tips to help you can apply right now. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm attention-grabbing phrases. Input a few keywords related to your video topic into ChatGPT, and then ask it to generate a list of attention-grabbing phrases. Choose the ones that are relevant to your video and that you will think will resonate with your audience. Once you have the list of attention-grabbing phrases, ask ChatGPT to suggest ideas for how you can use those phrases on your thumbnail. You can ask questions like, what's the best way to format this phrase on a thumbnail? Or what other elements can I add to my thumbnail to make it more eye-catching? With ChatGPT's help, you can create a thumbnail that stands out from the rest and drives more views to your content. The fourth way to use ChatGPT for video creation is for script writing. Using ChatGPT to summarize punchy lines from selected YouTube videos can be a smart way to create a unique script for your own video. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Identify YouTube videos that are similar to the one you want to create. Look for videos that cover similar topics, have a similar style, or are targeted toward a similar audience. Use ChatGPT to summarize the main ideas from those videos. Input the video transcripts into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a summary of the main ideas. Focus on punchy, memorable phrases that will stick with your viewers. Incorporate the summarized ideas into your own video script. Use the ideas generated by ChatGPT to inspire your own unique take on the topic. Add your own insights and experiences to make the script even more engaging and relatable. By using ChatGPT to summarize punchy ideas from selected YouTube videos, you will create a video that stands out from the rest and delivers value to your viewers. And the last way is by working on the structure and the tone of the script. ChatGPT can be a great tool to help you perfect the tone and structure of your YouTube video script. Here's an example of how you can use it. Let's say you've written a script for your latest video, but it's feeling a bit stiff and impersonal. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Input your script into ChatGPT and ask for suggestions on how to improve the tone and structure. Maybe you want to make it more conversational, or perhaps you need help reordering your points for a more compelling flow. With ChatGPT's help, you can get fresh ideas and inspiration that will take your script to the next level. Incorporate the suggestions and make changes as needed to create a video that captivates your viewers. Remember, if you apply the tips we've shared in this video, you'll be able to speed up your video creation process while still creating unique, engaging content. And don't forget, ChatGPT is an assistant, not an automatic video generator. Use it as a tool to assist your creative process and help you bring your creative ideas to life in your own unique way. If you need more tips to grow your Faceless channel, don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Nation.